Tips and tricks every affiliate marketer should know. What if you could come up with the perfect affiliate product that sells over and over again, making you a nice chunk of change 24 hours a day? Finding the right affiliate products to promote is not always easy. The good news is, there are literally tons of products available for you to choose from. Use these tips to narrow down your choices. To check on the quality of the company you are considering working for, you should pretend to be a customer and try their phone order system. If you have a bad experience, chances are the customers you refer to them will have the same impression and end up not buying anything. To know what works and what does not, keep track of the emails that you sent. Use a professional email program to see who opened your email and who clicked on the link. You might need to work on the title or presentation of your emails to generate more interest. To be a successful affiliate marketer, you have to say no to some ventures. Make sure you can handle everything that's already on your plate before you take on another task, and always remember to only involve yourself in productive tasks that will eventually lead to profits. Leave those maybe tasks for someone else to do, you need to focus on results. Investing in a personal organizer is a great tip to use if you want to be a successful affiliate marketer. Even if you're only using the organization features on your cell phone, you should make a note of your tasks, your schedules, your meetings, and other important information you will need to know about at any given moment. As you can see, a few techniques can help you choose affiliate products that you are really fired up about promoting. When something is near and dear to your heart, that comes through in every communication you make to your customers and the potential customers on your mailing list. It shines through in every video you write. Choose the right affiliate products for you, and watch your earnings go through the roof. Student loan.